Now we'll be looking at how to compare two strings together, or get the percentage of comparison using a particular string, or a particular function called the similar text function. Now let's quickly look at that. I'm going to erase all of this for now, and well, let me leave the string, or the variable rather, and I'll do a save as quickly, and we'll call this similar. Let's just call it similar.php. Now I want to compare the string. Let's call this string 1. Now we are comparing string 1 and another string. Let's say that string 2. Now we want to get the similarity, or the percentage in the similarities, and we'll say this is my house. Now just follow along. We're going to get this right at the end of this video. Okay, this is my house. Now mind you, I wrote the same thing on the two string. Okay, now the similar text, okay, carries 3 variables, and the similar text carries 3 arguments. Okay, and the first argument is the first string you want to compare, or the first variable you want to compare in our case is a string 1. Now the second one is the second variable you want to compare, or the second string you want to compare. In our case, this is string 2. Okay, and the third one is the result. Now we are going to say result. Mind you, we have not declared result. That is because we're going to echo that in our next line here. So our result, we're going to echo, sorry about that, we're going to echo result. Let's just echo result. Okay, results. Okay, now this is how it works. When it gives the comparison between this string here and this string here, now it gives the result, and that result will be echoed out in the next line. Okay, if you don't get that, let's check in our browser and see what we'll get. But first of all, let's save that and go to a browser and change it to similar.php, and you see 100. Now the percentage is 100. That is because the two words were exactly the same. Okay, now if I want to change it and say this is my home, for instance, and Control S on that, when I go and refresh, you discover that the percentage decreases. Okay, now it compares the word between the two variables and match the ones that are similar, and gives a percentage on them with regards to the whole statement. Okay, now let's quickly change one other thing. Let's say this is our home instead of mine. You discover that something else happens. Instead of 90, it reduces itself to 75. Do you get that? Now the more the two strings get more different, the more the percentage reduces. I don't know if you get that, but take a very good look at that. It's very useful while programming in PHP. I'll see you in the next video.